Greetings, my name is Keisha and I'm coming to you from sunny South Florida in Zone 11. It is March 19th, so yes, it's spring. My South Florida garden looks very different down here.
In the garden we breathe all the flowers in line. Sunshine woman comes
So my weather has been back and forth with hot and cold, and my broccoli plant is done. As far as this main shoot, I can already see a little side shoot coming on. So I'm gonna just take this piece off. Okay, you see it's starting to separate and starting to turn yellow. So it's small, but it's edible. So I'll take it. I'm gonna take out some of the bottom leaves and just allow maybe any possible side shoots that might make it, like this one right here, to go ahead on and start coming in. And if not, my broccoli didn't do well this year. I think I just had a bad batch, but that's that. I'm gonna leave the leaves. I can come back and get those later for harvesting. So my Dino Kale is here. I'm gonna take some leaves from it. Purple mustard greens as well. I have this beautiful yellow Swiss Chard. I'm going to just harvest a couple of stems because I only have a couple. To take this column. You always harvest them from the outside in. And this one is not looking too hot. I'm going to just let it compost. One of my longest running harvests has been celery. I've been harvesting celery since Thanksgiving. So it's really beautiful celery. My lettuce and my kale stand. This is a blue dwarf curly kale coming right in. And for those lettuces, and I have flowers down here on the bottom of my green stalk. And on this side, I have, might be a broccoli plant. Yep, that's a broccoli plant I stuck there, along with some beans. First mini harvest of green beans. And then I have this beautiful harvest basket. So I'm gonna make a smoothie out of my Dino Kale. I like peanut butter with my celery. They make some chicken soup this weekend. I have my broccoli plant down there that was starting to separate, but I'm just gonna head on and saute it, or I might throw it in my salad with these greens and my Swiss chard. I'll probably blend it up as well. I don't know, maybe put it in my salad. We'll see. But thank you so much for watching. Just remember, even if you have a small garden like I do, you can still get yourself something good to eat. Have a great day.
There's so much way between